Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Saturday. I don't think I've ever vlogged on a Saturday. That's incorrect. I definitely have. But today we're doing a lot of house stuff. Obviously, we work pretty much 9 to 5, if not more, on the weekdays. So we've been waiting for this day to like unpack everything. Obviously, we have furniture, which is so nice because we just were able to move right in. But now we need to get like towels and decor and all that kind of stuff out and about. So I wanted to film a little bit of that for you guys. But first, we're headed to the gym and I actually have a surprise for you guys. Oh my gosh. We went to the Christmas tree farm last night and chose this amazing 9-foot tree, which I named Bertha. Ooh, Greg and Lulu are home. I was in the middle of telling them that we got our Christmas tree Bertha. Ooh. She looks amazing. Let me show you guys up close. We need to get some more ornaments. We just have a few on here right now, but how cute is she? I'm obsessed. So far, I have these starfish Santas that I got in Laguna. This I got in Laguna. This I got on Abbot Kinney. I thought it was a cute little mushroom. I got this for Greg because he loves cars. The evil eye, I love evil eyes. That's pretty much it. We still need our star. And obviously I have my lights here that I need to light up later, but it smells really good in the house. And the other thing I got is this little reindeer. I'm obsessed. How cute is he? Boop, you like him? Good girl, good girl. How was your long walk? Was it very long? You're so beautiful. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. So right now we are feeding Lulu, Greg's having breakfast, and then we're headed to the gym. I don't think I'm gonna film my workout today just because I'm filming for Instagram, but maybe I'll show you guys a couple clips. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys when I have breakfast and when we get going on the house. Okay guys, we just got our workout done. We just got inside the car from Whole Foods, getting like a ton of groceries for the new house. I got a Starbucks. Now we're headed to the old house to get some things we need for the day. Like I need my smoothie stuff, Greg needs stuff. Feels like we have a billion errands to run today. But what's fun is we have our cheat meal tonight. The restaurants here in LA are closed. So Greg is trying out all these fun recipes and we're gonna make a penne vodka, which I'm so excited about. That's your first time making penne vodka, no?
I've never really cooked with cream, so I'm hot.
I love cream. Okay, so I will see you guys back at the house. We're gonna go finish these errands off and finally go home. Okay guys, I have had my breakfast. I'm showered or washed or whatever. I feel like I'm just procrastinating at this point. It is time to attack the situation. Here is the situation. Just Target bags, boxes, clothes, suitcases. My goal today is to get everything in its spot. So I'm gonna blast some music and just get through this. I'll probably do a bunch of montages right now because I need to focus. I'm not gonna pick up the phone. Let's go. Guys, I don't 100% remember where I left off as a vlog. I think I was like organizing in the closet. Right now it is Monday, December 7th, and I'm still organizing. Yesterday I did a really big home goods run. I also went to Container Store, World Market, Best Buy, went to a few places, but I have a bunch of stuff I need to put away. We still have some organizing to do. Right now I'm on Amazon getting some pans and placemats and just like random stuff I forgot that a human being needs in life. So I'm doing that. I also need another dog bed for Lulu. Lulu has endless amounts of dog beds lately. I'm gonna show you like what I'm up to today and just a little bit more organizing of this house. It is really crazy how much stuff you need when you really start living in it. Okay, let me show you guys some of the stuff I got. Okay guys, I'm in the closet, I have my tea, and it's time to start actually doing things because I swear when I have a bunch of like organizing to do, all I end up doing is ordering stuff thinking that that's gonna help, and it doesn't. It just adds more stuff. So I need to actually organize what I have. I have some of my clothes here, but not many. Almost all of them are in the car, which is gonna be so annoying to bring them all in, but I gotta get that done. And I just ordered all these hangers from the Container Store, so I'm gonna get those in here. Container Store low-key has really bad shipping. Like it takes forever, which is not helpful. Like I needed it immediately. So I have hampers on the way, but let's take a look at what we need to do. So in here, I have a bunch of new shower towels and face towels I got from Home Goods. I get like a crazy amount of face towels because I like to use one every day for my skin because I have such sensitive skin to make sure they're clean. And then here are the hangers I got. Let's investigate. Here are our hangers. Good morning, guys. It is like 6:30 right now. I'm having my Bloom pre-workout. We're headed out back to do a workout. Greg's training me.
Good morning, guys.
I'm having the Glacier Ice flavor, which is amazing. You haven't tried it?
Shout out to the slept-on flavors out there.
Slept-on flavors, he said. If you couldn't decipher that, happy. All right, we're headed out back. I'm gonna show you guys a little at-home back and bicep workout. Let's go.
Gym.
I love how you just like say things and expect everyone to know. So today, guys, we're doing a full upper body workout. Greg's actually gonna train me, which I love because I don't have to think. I just do whatever he says, and he's a great trainer. So let's go. Okay guys, that was a really good upper body workout, full upper body and abs. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next weekly vlog. We do the blow kiss again, it wasn't that great.